If you're looking for floor-standing speakers that can deliver deep, powerful bass without sacrificing clarity, detail, or overall sound quality, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 5 floor-standing speakers with insane bass, from impressive budget-friendly options to serious home theater and audiophile performers. These speakers aren't just about getting loud. They combine low-end impact, soundstage, dynamics, and refined mids and highs to create a much more immersive listening experience. So let's start the countdown with number 5 and see which speaker earns the top spot. Number 5, JBL Stage 280F. The JBL Stage 280F is an impressive floor-standing speaker for listeners who want a big, energetic presentation with plenty of bass authority. It uses a 2.5-way design with dual 8-inch polycellulose ribcone woofers and a 1-inch anodized aluminum tweeter mounted in JBL's next-generation HDI waveguide. JBL rates it at 33 Hz, 25 kHz, with 91 dB sensitivity and a 6 ohm nominal impedance, while recommending 20 to 225 watts of amplifier power. Those dual 8-inch woofers are the main reason this speaker can create such a large and physical presentation. Bass drums have real punch, bass guitars have weight, and electronic music can reach down into the lower frequencies with impressive authority. The rear-firing flared ports are designed to support deep bass while reducing unwanted port noise, and the large cabinet gives the speaker plenty of acoustic volume to work with. The HDI waveguide also helps control the dispersion of the tweeter, giving the speaker a broad and consistent presentation rather than concentrating the sound into an extremely narrow listening position. Vocals remain clear, guitars have good attack, and cymbals and percussion have plenty of energy. The Stage 280F is particularly attractive for rock, hip-hop, electronic music, and movies where you want a combination of bass impact, high output, and excitement. It is also compatible with JBL's 240H Atmos module, making it possible to expand the system into a more immersive home theater setup. Overall, the 280F is a strong choice for someone who wants the scale of a large tower speaker without immediately moving into ultra-high-end pricing. Number 4, Klipsch RP-8000F II. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F II takes a more aggressive and dynamic approach to floor-standing speaker design. It combines dual 8-inch cerametallic woofers with a 1-inch titanium LTS tweeter and Klipsch's redesigned 90 by 90-degree hybrid Tractrix horn. Klipsch says the larger horn is designed for more efficient transfer of high-frequency energy, while the LTS tweeter is designed to minimize distortion and provide detailed reproduction. In actual use, the biggest attraction is the combination of efficiency, impact, and dynamics. The dual 8-inch woofers can move a serious amount of air, giving kick drums a hard physical attack and bass guitars plenty of authority. The speaker also has the kind of immediate presentation that makes rock, metal, electronic music, and action movie soundtracks extremely exciting. Unlike some large towers that need a powerful amplifier before they really wake up, Klipsch's high-efficiency approach makes the RP-8000F II relatively easy to drive. That makes it a particularly interesting option for people building a high-output system around an integrated amplifier or AV receiver. The horn-loaded tweeter also gives vocals and instruments a direct, energetic character, while the large cabinet helps create a broad and powerful soundstage. If you prefer a warm, extremely relaxed presentation, this may not be your ideal speaker. But if your priority is big bass, explosive dynamics, and the ability to play loudly without sounding overwhelmed, the RP-8000F II is one of the most exciting choices in this group. Number 3, Polk Audio Reserve R700. The Polk Audio Reserve R700 takes the number 3 position because it offers a more refined approach to powerful floor-standing sound. Instead of focusing only on maximum bass output, the R700 is designed as a complete full-range speaker where bass, mid-range, and treble work together. Its 3-way architecture gives the speaker dedicated sections for low, mid, and high frequencies, allowing vocals and instruments to remain clearly separated from the powerful low end. This is particularly useful with complex recordings where a speaker with a less sophisticated design can become congested. The R700's large cabinet and multiple bass drivers give it the ability to produce deep, room-filling low frequencies, so kick drums have weight, Bass guitars sound substantial and movie soundtracks gain impressive scale. At the same time, the dedicated mid-range section helps keep vocals natural and detailed, while the high-frequency section provides enough resolution to reveal cymbals, acoustic instruments, and subtle details in well-recorded music. The biggest advantage of the R700 is therefore balance. You get the physical impact expected from a large tower while still getting the refinement needed for serious two-channel listening. It can work beautifully with rock, jazz, classical, vocals, and electronic music, and it is equally capable in a home theater system. For someone who wants a speaker that can deliver powerful bass without making the entire presentation sound like a bass demonstration, the Reserve R700 is a very compelling choice. Number 2. SVS Prime Pinnacle. The SVS Prime Pinnacle is arguably the most interesting speaker on this list for listeners who want deep bass combined with serious audiophile refinement. SVS uses a three-way design with three 6.5-inch woofers, a 5.25-inch glass fiber composite midrange, and a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter. Its official frequency response is an impressive 29 Hz, 25 kHz plus or minus 3 dB, with 88 dB sensitivity, an 8 ohm nominal impedance, and recommended amplifier power of 20 to 300 watts. The three separate woofers are a major part of the speaker's personality. Instead of relying on one enormous driver, SVS spreads the low-frequency workload across three drivers, allowing the Prime Pinnacle to produce deep and powerful bass while maintaining a relatively narrow cabinet. SVS also uses three rear-firing 2-inch flared ports, while the woofer compartments are separately tuned. The result is bass that can sound deep and physical, but still remain controlled enough for serious music listening. A good bass guitar recording has both weight and texture. Kick drums have impact without becoming a single indistinct thump, and electronic music can reach surprisingly deep. The dedicated mid-range is equally important because most of the information in vocals and many acoustic instruments sits in this region. SVS specifically designed this driver for accuracy and broad soundstage reproduction. The Prime Pinnacle therefore works extremely well for both music and home theater. It can create a large, immersive presentation while maintaining enough detail for critical listening. If you want deep bass, strong dynamics, a wide soundstage, and genuine audiophile versatility, the Prime Pinnacle is one of the best-rounded speakers on this list. Number 1. Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8060F II. Taking the number 1 position is the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8060F II, and this is the most feature-packed speaker in the lineup. The main tower combines dual 8-inch ceremetallic woofers with a 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter and Klipsch's 90 by 90 degree hybrid Tractrix horn. The main channel is rated at 35 Hz, 25 kHz plus or minus 3 dB, with an impressive 98 dB sensitivity, 8 ohm compatible nominal impedance, and 150 watts continuous/600 watts peak power handling. That combination gives the RP-8060F II the kind of high-output capability Klipsch is famous for. The dual 8-inch woofers can deliver substantial bass impact, while the Tractrix ports are designed to move air efficiently and reduce turbulence for cleaner low-frequency reproduction. But what really separates this speaker from the others is the built-in 6.5-inch two-way up-firing Dolby Atmos elevation speaker. This means you aren't simply getting a powerful stereo tower. You're getting a speaker designed to become part of a complete immersive home theater system. The main speaker's high sensitivity also means it can achieve very high output without requiring enormous amplifier power, which is useful for large rooms and cinematic listening. The presentation is energetic, immediate, and highly dynamic, making it especially exciting with action movies, concert recordings, rock, electronic music, and other material where impact matters. The Atmos module adds another layer of immersion when used with compatible equipment and suitable room conditions. Klipsch also uses additional cabinet bracing and a divided cabinet to reduce unwanted resonance and vibration. For someone who wants deep bass, explosive dynamics, high efficiency, and built-in Dolby Atmos capability, the RP-8060F II is an extremely impressive all-in-one floor-standing solution and a strong number 1 choice for this particular bass-focused list. And that wraps up our list of 5 floor-standing speakers with insane bass. From the powerful JBL Stage 280F and dynamic Klipsch RP-8000F II to the refined Polk R700, deep-playing SVS Prime Pinnacle and feature-packed Klipsch RP-8060F II, each speaker brings a different approach to powerful low-end performance. Which one would you choose for your system? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hi-fi speaker reviews and audiophile content.